Hey there, Math Explorers. Today we're going to take a little journey on something really cool. It's called the number line. It helps us understand numbers by putting them in a straight line, like beads on a string. Here's what we'll explore today: what a number line is and why we use it, how it's built and what it looks like, how we plot numbers big, small, and even zero. Let's go. Long ago, people needed a way to show which numbers were bigger, smaller, or equal. So, they came up with this clever idea. Let's draw a line. A line helps us see the order of numbers and how far they are from each other. It keeps going forever to the left and to the right. That means we can fit all the numbers, positive and negative. Let's build our number line. First, we need a special starting point. It's called the origin, and we label it with a big 0. To the right of 0, we find numbers like 1, 2, 3. These are positive numbers. Now, let's look at the negative integers. They go to the left of 0 and look like -1, -2, -3. We use them when talking about things like freezing temperatures or being below sea level. Each tick mark on the line is one step apart. We call this step a unit. And guess what? We always keep the spacing even, so we don't get confused. 0 is super important. It's not positive, not negative. It's right in the middle, and it helps us measure how far other numbers are from it. This distance is called absolute value, and it's always positive. Let's wrap it all up. Today we learned: a number line shows numbers in order, like a straight string of pearls. Positive numbers go right, negative ones go left. 0 is the center, our starting point. Each step is spaced evenly, so we can count, measure, and compare.
Now you know how to read and use the number line, whether you're counting apples or diving into deep math. The number line is your trusty tool. See you next time, Number Ninjas.